Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day. It is early in the AM while I'm recording this, but it doesn't mean that I don't love being here, because I do. I do. Today, I'm doing another look with the Wahala II palette. Easy for me to say. And I'm going to do a blue, purple, silvery kind of look today, something different than the last look. And I feel like this palette is so amazing, and you can get so many different looks from it. I'm looking at my mirror trying to adjust it, that I want to do the palette justice. One video is not enough for such a palette with such wide color stories. So I'm going to, and then there's this duochrome over here, or multi-chrome over here, that I still need to play with also. I'm going to start my look with, so hard to decide, with a little bit of this light shimmery gray, silver. In my crease. And Ruby is in here playing, having a good old time. I'm just gonna put that on the lid also. And it's got such a great sheen to it. Beauteous, beauteous. Now I'm going to go into this color here, which is Wicked, and go on the outside corner. Oh, look at that. Super pigmented. And I'm not going in super deep with it. I'm just trying to I'm not trying to go ham on this just yet. But it's a beautiful periwinkle. I'm just loving it. It looks so much darker in the pan. It's so pretty. Now I'm trying to figure out where to go next. I think I'm going to go with this. It says, I don't know what it says. I'm going to change the brush up. Change your brush up. Change your brush up. Change your brush up. I'm going to go into this. This is definitely a lot more purple than it is blue. There we go. It's building up really nicely. I'm trying not to go in too heavy. Because it's so pigmented. I'm really trying to just build the colors. because I don't want this look to go too dark too fast. Dark like my soul. So beautiful. It's so hard to figure out what to do. There's these other blues over here. This is so much fun. I need to go into the crease with a little softer brush. I'm going to take this, it says cream. A lot of these colors look very similar. Super pretty. I need to go under the brow with this top color here. That's beautiful, and it's called Fame. Let's get my blending brush out here and just blend everything out. Super pretty. Looks like this side's a little darker. Now we have to figure out what to do on the lid. I need like a darker purple, but I don't think there is a dark enough purple. I've still got that duochrome to use if I want, or multi-chrome. I think I'm going to go into this shimmer here called Ambitious. I think I might do glitter with this too. That's super pretty. I need a darker blue or darker purple. Might have to go into a different shade to get the darkness that I want. I think I'm going to go into this dark teal. That's doing what I want it to do. It's making it look more blue than purple, but that's okay. Let's blend it out. Such great colors, and it's such a beautiful look. I think I might have to do the silver glitter again because it's just so beautiful. And this is the NYX glitter glue. And Ruby is in a basket, which is very exciting for her. That glitter is so pretty. Dynamic look. Dynamic. Now we're going to put some liner on. And this is the Stila. And someone was asking me the other day about eyeliner and glitter. And if you've got a good quality black eyeliner, it will go over glitter with no problem. And I can't say enough good things about my Stila eyeliner. I've been using it on and off for like 10 years. So I totally loves it so much. And now for mascara, I'm going to go with my Marc Jacobs little sample here because I just love this formula. And that makes a really soft, beautiful lash look. It's so pretty. And then for my lip, I don't want to do pinky blue, but I think I'm gonna have to. And this is Christmas Cookie. From Jeffree Star. And there we go. My second look from the Wahala palette. And I think it is a stunning palette. And I've done two completely radically different eye looks with it. And I think it's totally worth the $38. Have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.